So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can make a stolen iPhone worthless and no longer usable. So if you've had your iPhone stolen for whatever reason, someone's stolen it on the street or whatever it may be, what you can do is make the iPhone useless to anyone who has stolen it. So to do this, what we need to do is head over to a browser. So go to a friend's phone or wherever you've got internet access, right? So you will need to do this as fast as you possibly can. So you then want to go over to a browser. You then want to search for iCloud and click into this and then log into your iCloud account. Now, once we log into our iCloud account, you want to make sure that you go over and you go to where it says find your devices and click on the link right here to find your device. Now, once you do this, as you can see, you will then be able to click on your iPhone, and even if it has been turned off, what we can do is click on Lost iPhone. So if we click on the Lost iPhone option, what that will do is you can go and click on Next down at the bottom, and you will then be able to lock the iPhone and report it lost through your iCloud, which will lock it. So as you can see, lost mode locks the iPhone and allows you to leave a phone number and message for the finder. So even if it has been turned off or whatever it might be, reset anything, it will lock the iPhone and it will be rendered unusable by the person who has stolen it. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.